Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to turn on or off private browsing in Safari on iPad. So let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your iPad. Now tap on the Tabs button at the top or bottom corner of the screen, depending on your Safari layout. Typically, it looks like two small squares. Here, tap on the current tab group, usually called tabs or showing the number of open tabs. Then to turn on private browsing, simply tap Private. After that, tap on the small tab window to open it in full screen. Once enabled, Safari will switch to private browsing mode, and the browser interface will become darker, typically the search bar area. In private browsing, Safari will not save your browsing history, search history, or autofill information after you close the tabs. If you want to turn off private browsing, tap the Tabs button again. Then tap on Tabs next to Private. Safari will now return to normal browsing mode. And that's it. You have successfully turned on or off private browsing in Safari on your iPad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.